Questions continue to surround the circumstances and possible causes of the chartered aircraft crash in Raulkela that occurred on Saturday. As the probe gathers pace, aviation authorities are focusing on how and under what conditions the aircraft met with the mishap. According to official sources, a team from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation or DGCA is expected to reach the accident site by this evening and to conduct a preliminary assessment. Meanwhile, a specialized technical team from the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau AAIB is likely to arrive in Raulkela tomorrow to carry out a detailed investigation. The findings of these teams will be crucial in reconstructing the exact sequence of events leading to the accident. For coordination and on-ground supervision, 2 civil aviation officials from Bhubaneswar have already been deputed to Raulkela. The situation is being closely monitored at the highest level, with the Principal Secretary of the Transport Department overseeing developments and reviewing response measures. To assist affected individuals and ensure smooth information flow, a dedicated control room has been set up. Authorities have also released a helpline number 98610-96371 for public assistance and emergency related queries.
से एयर वन जो आम 9 सीटेड उड़ूला लोक मैंने आसुले यू राउरकेला 6 जन आरोही थे एवं दुर्घटना फल से 6 जन आरोही टी इंजुरी अच्छा समस्ते स्टेबल अच्छा राउरकेला गोटे 10 किलोमीटर भितर आसला जालदा एक जगह से दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हो कही सारी डायरेक्टर जनरल एविएशन को अनुरोध कर सारी आमर डायरेक्टर ओडिशार डायरेक्टर पूरा टीम जीवे तर्जमा हम तदंत हम।